My dear viewers, this is Ramanpreet, your early year educator. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe and healthy. Orange, yellows, blues, purple, red. You all must be thinking what happened to Ramanpreet ma'am. She's acting like a child suddenly. Yes, so we all have a child inside us hidden somewhere, and that's what has come out from me after seeing this Poppet, the trending toys these days. Yes, viewers. So, this is what we are going to talk about in our today's video. Puppets, the trending toys. What are puppets? How can we play with these? We all know that our kids are going crazy about this toy, but we must also know the benefits of playing with toys. What is it all about? So, stay with me. As we all know that schools are shut because of this pandemic. Now it's been approximately 2 years that our kids are being holed up inside the homes, and they are completely dependent upon digital platforms for their academics as well as recreational activities. And as a result, the screen time has been increasing a lot, and we as parents are really worried about it. This increased screen time is also leading to stress among kids, anxiety, and different behavioral changes. Yes, my dear friends, these words, stress, anxiety, we feel that is only meant for adults. But no, our little warriors can also be anxious and can also be stressful at the same time. And I also believe that we somehow would figure it out that we are anxious and stressful, and we would try to work over it. But our little children, they might not be able to even reflect that and might not be able to express themselves that they are actually feeling anxious or stressful. And these all things, these lead to less concentration, poor focus, and many other negative things among our kids. So we are going to talk about this now, that how these fidgeting toys are helping kids, can help kids to improvise their situations if they are anxious or stressful, on how as parents we can make a better use of these toys, this especially this trending toys these days, which is Poppet, and how can we inculcate it into the daily routine of our kids, and how can we make a better use out of it. So we are going to talk about it now. So first, let us talk about the term fidgeting. What is fidgeting? Fidgeting is that when your body gets some signals that you're feeling anxious, you're stressful, and unknowingly, sometimes you must have seen that few people, they have this habit of wagging their feet, or maybe one of the foot, or tapping, sitting somewhere and just continuously shaking the leg, or tapping over somewhere, or moving their fingers, or something like that, which is automatically happening, and we are not doing it knowingly. So these sort of body actions, we call them fidgeting. And why do we do this? Because we are somewhere stressed out and we are feeling anxious, and by performing such actions, our body feels relieved and we feel better. So this is what fidgeting is all about. And yes, kids are also, we see kids also sometimes they're doing such actions, and we notice them tapping foots or biting nails, or actions like that. So that means those kids are stressed at certain point and are anxious, which leads to poor concentration, less focus, behavioral changes, tantrums, crying, and many other behavioral changes that we see in our kids. So when talking about fidgeting toys, I remember in year 2017 somewhere, there was this toy called spinner, which was really in trend those days, and kids were just buying it because my friend has 4, I need to buy 5, my friend has 5, I will collect 8. So out of that race only, they buy. Kids, they are kids, and they don't know what is the real use benefits of things. They will just behave like that. And parents also, I believe, they don't know the correct use of the toy. It's just that, okay, my child is a stubborn child and is asking, I have to buy my kid certain toys. So today I'm going to explain and I'm going to talk about how the fidgeting toy Poppet can be beneficial for our children. And this is a fidgeting toy, and it's an intelligent toy, I must say. We know that kids are crazy after this these days, but please don't just buy them because they want it. So you must know that why is this beneficial, and how can we use this, and what are the benefits of this toy. Research has shown that when kids can direct their movement, especially when they are stressed and anxious, they can also simultaneously improve their concentration and focus when they are directing their movements in a certain manner. So when kids are playing with this puppet, what is happening is that they are using their both sides of brains, right hemisphere and left hemisphere both, which in turn is helping them to increase their focus span and helping them to increase their concentration also. How to play with this puppet toy also I will be talking about towards the end of the this video, like the end part of the video. You will see that how the child can be involved into this toy puppet, and how can we play with our kids using this toy. So basically, number one, the benefit number one is that playing with a fidget toy like puppet can improvise your child's focus and concentration. We all know that brain is one of the important body part and performs various functions, and it is also related to breathing and heartbeat rate and many other functions of our body. Talking about children's alertness, brain alertness. Some children are very smart and they are able to wake up their brain themselves and stay alert. But some children, they need help of parents and elders around them to even waken their brains. This is a natural process and there's nobody who's responsible for it. So talking about puppets and fidgeting toys, they are giving movements and signals to the brain. It is stimulating, and children, it is in turn helping kids to become more alert themselves. So the second main benefit of playing with a puppet toy is that it gives stimulation to the brain and it awakens the brain cells among the children. The main function, the next main benefit of playing with a puppet toy is making our kids stress free and more focused. So when your child is anxious and is showing behavioral changes and anger and other signs of being anxious that we notice, and when the child is being given the puppet toy and is being played in a correct way with it, it is giving something to your child, some task to your child, and it is telling your child to move fingers, hands in a certain manner, which is helping your child to focus at the task at hand. And they are releasing their stress and they are putting their focus into the task at hand. So in turn, it is making your child more alert and focused. The next important benefit of puppet toy is it is helping to keep your children stay away from gadgets. Yes, so it is an involving toy, and if your child is given right guidance at how to play with this toy, 15 to 20 minutes in one session it takes when a child is playing with the puppet toy, when it is being guided right way. So it is helping us to keep our children away from the gadgets and electronic devices up to a certain time period, and that session is much productive and your kid is learning something out of it and is getting benefited by those movements that are created by your children. So now let's see that how can we play with this toy. Talking about the age groups, so this toy is good for every age group. A small child is also learning something out of it, a grown-up child is also learning various different things out of it. So, like if you talk about children which are 2 years and 3 years and 4 years, they are developing their fine motor skills when they are playing with this toy, and it comes in different shapes and size, and you can see colors are there, red, green, and I have some more with me. This is an octopus shape, different colors, and your child is learning shapes, colors, and also developing focus, eye hand coordination, and also learning various concepts. As you can see, I told you already the shapes and the color and the fine motor skills and the fruits, and there are many shapes and many things in which these toys are being made. As I'll show you, I have this also, an ice cream, and even my phone cover is a puppet. Now I will be directing you to a video clip where me along with my son, we both are playing different games using puppets. So there is no end to the games that we can build using puppet. Once you will watch this clip, you will have an idea and you will yourself able to make other games out of it. So let's go and have a look. Okay, so the game number 1 is that we both have our puppets here, and game number 1 is that we have to press all these pop-up bubbles of our plate of our this puppet, and once the first side is done, we are going to flip it and we have to do press all of these also. Now here randomly you can use one finger, both the fingers, but the one who finishes first,
the both side, that is going to that is the winner of the first round.
Very good. So let's begin now. So this, see, you have to keep this side up. So let's start. 1,
2, 3,
2,
go.
3, go. Dave, this is coming up again. Oh. One side done.
One side done.
Oh, so we had a tie.
I done first.
You did it first. So actually, basically, this was a tie, Dave. I also did it with you only. Okay. So game number 2 is that again we are going to swap our these. Okay.
Now puppets.
Now, what do we have to do is that, as you can see, colors are there. Mine is having blue, pink, and yellow color, and they
And mine having red, orange, like all the rainbow colors.
all the rainbow colors. So first, I'll give Dave some instructions, and he is going to follow my instructions.
If Mama's give me pop one.
If I
Pop
say
one red with your one finger, so I have to put one red with my one finger, like
only.
this.
Yes, so you have to listen to the instructions well and you have to follow them. If he is able to follow the instructions well and doesn't make any mistake, he is the winner. Okay, then he will start giving me the instructions. Okay, Dave, let's begin with you. So, pop one red with your one finger.
Okay.
Pop 2 oranges with your 2 fingers. Pop 0 yellow. Okay, so pop 5 green using your 5 fingers. Okay, so well done. So now pop 1 blue using your thumb. Pop 1 purple using your smallest finger. Pop 1 blue using your tallest finger. Tallest finger. Which is your tallest finger? Do show. Yes. Now pop it with blue.
Blue.
Yes.
One.
Yeah. Okay. Pop 3 yellow with your 3 fingers. Now use another hand and pop 3 with your 3 fingers. Pop 2 oranges with your right hand.
This.
Yes. Pop 1 orange with your left hand. Pop 1 red, one red. You have 2 reds, okay? So simultaneously pop both using your both hands. Both hands. Very good. Pop all the blues now. Pop all the purples now. Well done. You followed my instructions so well, you are the winner of this game. Now my turn. I will be using this one, okay? Alright, so you give me the instructions now. Let me see if I can follow your instructions.
Pop two yellow with your left hand of 2 fingers.
Okay, 2 fingers and left hand. Done.
Pop all the pink using your 3 fingers of left hand.
Left hand. Okay, 3 fingers, huh? All the pinks.
Yes.
And but it comes up again. Okay, done. Next.
Pop 3 blue using your right hand with 1 finger.
1 finger, 3 blue, right hand. Done.
Pop 1 yellow using your 1 finger of left hand.
Okay, done.
Pop all the blue using your both hands and both fingers.
All the blue. Okay, so I can use all my fingers. Done.
And pop all the yellow using 2 right hand and 2 left hand fingers.
Okay, done. Yay! So this was so much fun, guys. This was so much fun. Actually, you can make more games with this puppet. So you have so much colors here, different colors. You have different shapes. You can also do something of the shape. Also, you can collect different shape and different type.
You
of
can do collection also and
puppets.
so to if you
Yeah.
have a YouTube channel, you can show to your YouTube channel.
Exactly. So if you are actually, he also has a YouTube channel. That's why he's giving you this suggestion. So it is a good replacement of gadgets too, and it can give a good time to your child. Like your child can spend good time with this, making some more games and stimulating the brain stem and becoming more focused, raising the concentration power, also improving your fine motor skills. So go for a puppet toy. It's an intelligent toy. So I hope this video was useful to you all. Please don't buy puppets just because your child want to collect 10 of them or 20 of them. You should know that if you are buying this intelligent toy for your child, how to use it. All the best to you all, and happy playing with puppets. If you liked this video, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you sometime soon. Thank you.